Alright, Thursday tech tip. I'm with a new tech today, and we're kind of taking a look at this oven, and we've got 671 F4 errors. And we were able to duplicate that issue while we were on site, actually in the test mode, which is super uncommon. And something I kind of noticed, and it's not a huge deal, and we probably could make some adjustments with the switches, but something to pay attention to. Everything looks really nice here. I want you to pay attention to the gapping here. It's not a lot, but when you look, and then when you take a walk over here, our gap is just a little different. It's not a lot, but it could be enough for us to stop smashing this one switch in the back. So just something to kind of keep in mind when you service these ovens is that when your hinge module is in there, sometimes little adjustments to the left or the right or forward or back can actually make a huge difference in how these switches interact and can buy you a little bit more time instead of smashing that arm right off of it. So just kind of watch for these things. It's the little things on these ovens that make a huge difference and keeps you from having to go back all the time. So that's what it's all about. Oh, and don't forget, whenever you're adjusting door switches, if your gasket's getting tired, it's a good time to swap it out, because if they're flat, you're not going to get a very good adjustment or setting on that. And then you're going to be right back here 2 weeks later when the store replaces that gasket. So little things like that make a big difference.